Midnight. The inside of the luxury car is always clean. They have been using this wireless vacuum cleaner. Regardless of its size, it can last for a long time on one charge. The 1200W digital motor 6000 Baqiang series sucks the temporary debris, dust, sand and other things in the corners of the car. Midnight. Is the dust on the car always sweeping away? Try this wireless vacuum cleaner to sweep away the temporary details. Difficult to clean grooves and crevices can be easily cleaned. The crevices, corners, and dead corners can be easily cleaned. It can be easily cleaned with a brush. Sweep up and down.